Survivor, I'm back once again. I'm your art survivor 16 and welcome to my world. So it's another Friday Hampasan vlog once again. Today is Friday, November 22nd. So it is our finals match between the Prime 1. So we are now here at Hamilton International School here in Doha. So we are just waiting for our match. So first match is still ongoing, the ladies match. So we are still waiting for our time, okay? So stand by, mga ka-survivors. Champion! So ayun, nag-champion po kami mga survivors. So thank you so much sa lahat ng mga supporters ng PhilCats and also to all my subscribers. Thank you so much! 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 Thank you so much!